Hi, we're starting Module 9 today, Section 1, the rectangular coordinate system. And I know that you've probably seen this before, graphing points on a plane, drawing graphs, drawing lines. But before we start, we're going to cover a few vocabulary words. The first thing you need to know is, what is it that we're drawing on? We're drawing on the Cartesian coordinate system. It was developed by René Descartes. That's how you pronounce it because he's French, so the S is silent, Descartes. And what does that do? It kind of brings to life the equations that we solved earlier. You know, instead of just saying y equals 2x plus 3 and getting a solution, we're going to actually draw the answer on a graph so you can see what that equation looks like. So in order to do that, on our coordinate plane, we have two different axes. We have the x-axis, and the x-axis runs left to right, horizontal. And then you have the y-axis, which runs vertical, and vertical means up and down. So we have the x-axis that runs horizontal. We have the y-axis that runs vertical. The next thing is we have something called the origin. When you draw the x and the y-axis, they meet at a corner. The corner that they meet at is called the origin, and we name it as an ordered pair 0, 0. And then the last thing is, once you make those two axes meet, x-axis and y-axis, and they cross each other, they look like a T, and they'll create four boxes. The four boxes that they create, we call them quadrants. Quad meaning four. Quadrant means it's a box, it's a location, and that's what we're going to talk about also. We're going to do one little step at a time, and so follow me over here to our document camera, and I'm going to show you just a few of the vocabulary that we've covered so that you can visually see the words that we're talking about.